Hello mga ka-buy and sell. Panoorin ang mga Segunda Manong Sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan ka boss. Please subscribe for more updates po. 2015 model Subaru WRX. 2-liter turbo gasoline engine. Automatic transmission. 52k kilometers mileage with service records. Cash price, 850,000 pesos. For financing all-in down payment, 166,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. Model Toyota Hilux E, 2.4-liter diesel engine, manual transmission, 9k kilometers mileage, cash price, 1,050,000 pesos. For financing all-in down payment, 270,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. Model Geely Coolray Sport SE, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 16k kilometers mileage, cash price, 780,000 pesos. For financing all-in down payment, 286,000 pesos. Chattel and insurance all included. For watching. Naway nabigyan kayo ng idea sa iyong dream car. Visit our website for more car sale.